Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video gonna help you to fix your BMW. Like you can see his fault, the number 2. Let me check. So they throw this coat and this coat, and your car okay, there's 2 coat fault, and your car crank but won't start. Alright, I'm gonna show you what is the problem. So I bought the 2 modules. The first one I bought the wrong one, so I was thinking maybe the module is broken because there is no power. And I changed the module, still not working. And I bought the relay, and I thought it's gonna be there, but I couldn't find it. Alright, the relay is supposed to be here. I think somewhere around here, but I couldn't find it. I take apart the fuse part thing. There's nothing in it too. I tried to track everything, and okay, let me pull this one out. And I changed the fuel module, and there's nothing going on. Still the same. The code's still there. So I check everything right here. There's nothing. There is no relay, anything. Okay, let's go to the front. I checked this fuse too. There's like a screw right here. This is gonna be like all the fuses, and a relay right here too. Just take it off this part. And I check all the relay and the fuses. Everything's good. There's nothing wrong. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I tried to check the hood. So I opened the hood. So I check everything in the front, and this is usually supposed to be the ECU. I opened this part, and you can take it off this part too. And after you take off this part, you will see like there is like a power distribution, something like that. There's a lot of water inside, and this module is broken. So when you change those modules, everything's gonna be fine. Let me show you what is the module looks like. Just a second. Okay, after you open this area, you're gonna see like a module like this. They are full of water, so this part is broken like this. So when I open this engine bay, it's like a lot of water. It's like a full of water. So I don't know why, but that's the problem. So just buy this part, everything's gonna be fine. Your car can start again. Okay, let's go back to the car and try it again. Now it's working perfectly.